how you doing? I'm Louis Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another project of ours in Southern California. Now, as you know, Enviroscape, we're into sustainability, we're into growing our own food, and that extends to our clients as well. We seem to draw that type of client. That being said, if you notice the boys here, we're installing a couple redwood planter boxes for the vegetables. So if you notice, we did state it was redwood. Redwood, as we know, it's made up, or its properties is more resistant to rot than to say other woods like fir. So it will last the client a lot longer. These particular boxes, it was important to keep them kind of high. We have an overall height of 18 inches. The client here wants to have the ability, when you're out there gardening and you're weeding and you're tending your vegetables and seeding, you want to be able to sit down. So we specifically had it with this top board in place, a 2x6, so that they could take a break whenever needed. So in order to make that happen, we got to keep it functional. Of course, 4x4 posts help outside. Not only does the box have to function, but we like for it to look good. So if you notice, we don't see any hardware. So no screws on the top. You know, they're a little bit unsightly. We really do like to hide all that. So we just have the beauty of the box, and of course the beauty of the veggies as they continue to grow, and the client will then in turn harvest them. So next step, the boys are getting them level. We're gonna start filling in with good soil. We have rain, believe it or not, on its way here in Southern California. So we want to get these guys set, installed, so the homeowners get planting their veggies for the spring. So just a tip from Enviroscape LA, when you're building boxes, try to do it right, use the proper material, try to hide all your hardware, keep it aesthetically pleasing as well. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.